Before Thrive, I was typical mom, I suppose, tired, exhausted, didn't feel good. I was always like craving more, looking for something to change in a positive way, but wasn't sure how to do that. All my friends were thriving, saw it all over Facebook, wanted nothing to do with it. I thought it was too good to be true. It got to the point where I knew that I needed it. I deserved it. My daughter deserved to have a mom who was more present and not just rolling through those motions every day. So I took the plunge and I ordered my first package, and day one my alarm went off and I didn't hit snooze and I got up. I felt more awake and refreshed than I had ever felt in my whole life. I was excited for my day. I wasn't counting down to bedtime. I had a very checklist mentality, I knew all the things I wanted to get done that day. It was about 4.5 years ago, and it has just continued to get better and better, and I won't go a day without these products.